Hello guys, in this very short tutorial, we will be fixing Service Host Diagnostic Policy Service, high CPU and memory usage in Windows 10. So basically when we are installing any Windows components or playing any game, the high CPU usage and memory usage pop up, this error comes. So in order to fix it, we need to open services.msc. So how we can do that? By pressing Window and R key on the keyboard, type services.msc and then hit enter. Once you hit enter, a new window will appear. Now there are tons of service here. Now we are looking for something called Diagnostic Policy Service. So to search it faster, just select any of the service and press D and then look for the same. Diagnostic Policy Service right here. So just do a right click on that and click on stop. And once it is stopped, you just need to start it again and then restart the machine and see if it's working for you or not. And if it's not, I'll tell you another step which is very effective. I'll mention in the description as well. You just need to copy this command and you need to paste it to the run window. So I just have copied it and I will press Window and R, and here I'll just do Control V to press it and then hit OK. Once this is done, we need to go back to services window again. Make sure you stop the service and then go back to this folder and delete this one, srudb.dat file. So we are only deleting the dat file, nothing else, and then we will restart it again by just doing a right click and start, and then restart the machine and see if it's working for you or not. Let me know in the comment section if you have issues, and please subscribe and hit the like button.